This is how to make your class in iStudy or Moodle publicly accessible, even if they are not logged in, like to the public. If you want to share it with non-students or your co-workers. So, for example, this class, Web Systems and Technologies, all you have to do is go to the class and click the gear button and click more, click users, and then find enrollment methods. Click this one, and as you see here, it's disabled guest access. I will enable guest access, and now when we go back to this, see it's not logging. You're currently using guest access. It's not logged in. I'll reload it, and the class is available. You can see, because I like to share this because it's revolutionary, how to make a chatbot, cosine embeddings, LLM use, and RAG using LLM, notebook LLM, and RAG using manual and using your own LLM. So if you want to hide it, just disable this one. When you reload this, it doesn't show anymore. See, you cannot access this course. Cannot access this course. You show it and you reload, then it's there. Okay, another example. Let's find another class, this one, because I like to show how AI has changed programming in 2025. So I just go to the top here, more users, enrollment methods, and it's enabled. So I can just copy the URL, paste it in a browser which is not logged in, and people can see what's inside. Okay.